This is going to be a video that's going to help you solve a problem that's like the absolute value of 2x minus 4 is equal to 6. Now, in order to do that, it's important to understand absolute value. If I have a problem that says the absolute value of x is equal to 6, there's two cases that make that correct. The first case, x can be equal to 6. And the reason for that is because the absolute value of x is equal to 6. The second case is that x is equal to negative 6. And the reason for that is the absolute value of negative 6 is also equal to 6. Now when I'm doing this problem, the absolute value of 2x minus 4 is equal to 6. There's also going to be two cases. The first case is when 2x minus 4 is equal to positive 6. The second case is going to be when 2x minus 4 is equal to negative 6. So let's go ahead and solve both of these cases so I know both of the answers for x. Whenever I solve an equation, I always make a line down through the equal sign. That tells me whatever I do on one side of the equation, I have to do to the other side of the equation. So if I'm solving for x, I need to get x alone. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. On the left side, I have positive 4 and negative 4, which is a 0 pair. And then when I add them together or combine them, I end up getting 2x is equal to 10. To solve for x, what I do is I divide both sides by 2, and when I do that, I end up getting x is equal to 5. Let's look at the other case. When I solve this problem, first thing I always do is draw a line down through the equal sign. I need to get x by itself, so I'm going to add 4 to both sides. On the left side, that's a 0 pair, so what I have left on the left side is just going to be 2x. On the right side, I have negative 6 and positive 4, which is going to be equal to negative 2. And then if I divide both sides by positive 2 to make 1x, I end up getting x is equal to negative 1. So the two values that make this statement true are x is equal to 5 and x is equal to negative 1.